Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos chicken. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F and arrange chips in a single layer on a baking sheet. Sprinkle shredded chicken evenly, add a blend of cheeses, and bake until bubbling and golden. Finish with fresh toppings like jalapenos, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Serve immediately so chips stay crisp and cheese stays gooey and satisfying. Gather your ingredients and prep everything before you assemble. Shred the chicken, grate cheeses, and slice your toppings. This messy end place speeds up assembly and keeps chips from getting soggy. Toss the chicken with a little taco seasoning or salsa for extra flavor, then layer chips, chicken, and cheese quickly. When it goes into the oven, you want even heat to melt the cheese and warm the chicken through without overcooking. Build your nachos with balance in mind. Start with a solid base, add chicken, sprinkle cheese, then repeat for height and even coverage. Aim for 2 to 3 layers so heat penetrates and cheese melts without burning the edges. Keep saucy items controlled to prevent sogginess and save fresh garnishes for after baking. Let the tray rest 1 to 2 minutes before topping so people can scoop without everything sliding off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.